how to download Santander Bank statement. If you want to download the statement for Santander Bank, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch your browser and go to santanderbank.com. So when you go to the official website, you have to log into your online banking. So also click on the login option from the top right hand side. There you have to enter your user ID and your password. So once you enter your user ID and password, you want to simply go to the login button, and once you click on the login button, you'll be logged into your online banking. After you log into your online banking, you have to navigate to the statements and documents section. When you navigate to the statement and document section, over there you'll find the option to download your transactions either in PDF or in text format. So depending upon how you want to view, you can also select and choose a date from which date to which day that you want to apply the filter for. Then once done, your bank statements will be downloaded to your computer. This way you'll be able to download Santander Bank statement. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.